sometimes substitution isn't going to work. If we looked at the first one, the limit as x approaches 0, 4x squared minus 5x over x, we would do 4 times 0 squared minus 5 times 0 over 0, which is going to give us 0 over 0, which is undefined. So that doesn't work for us, right? So when that happens, another strategy to use is to factor in cancel. So as a student, I'm already asking myself, when do I direct substitute? When do I cancel? If we look at just our denominators right here, if I put 0 in for x, I divide by 0. If I put negative 7 in, negative 7 plus 7 is 0. If I put negative 2 in, negative 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12, you get 0. Okay? So if in substitution in your first step, your denominator becomes a 0, odds are you need a factor first. So we can take the 4x squared minus 5x over x, and what we can do, and we can pull out an x in both of them, leaving with 4x minus 5 over x. We see the x's cancel each other. Now what we can do is we can substitute in 0 to get 4 times 0 minus 5, which will give us a limit of negative 5. All right, second one. All right, we have 2x squared plus 13x minus 7 over x plus 7. Well, we can factor this to be, let's see, what multiplies to negative 7 adds to 13. Well, we're going to have 2x, we're going to have x. So if I put 7 here, that's going to get me to 14. So this would have to be, is it minus 1? Let's see if this works. 2x squared, 14x, that'll give me 13x minus 7. Okay, and this is going to be over x plus 7. All right, so now I see my x plus 7s cancel out. So to find my limit, it's just 2x minus 1. X is negative 7. So this is going to turn to 2 times negative 7 minus 1, which is negative 14 minus 1. So my limit for this question is negative 15. It approaches negative 15 when when we approach negative 7. All right. And now let's take a look at our last one. So for our last one, let's see what we got. We got 3x cubed minus 6x squared minus 24x over 3x squared plus 6x. So what can I pull out to start? Well, on the top, they all have an x in common and they all have a 3 in common. So that would leave me with 3x on the outside, x squared minus 2x minus 8. I'm going to make sure I did that right. 3x cubed minus 6x squared minus 24x over, well, these both have a 3x in common, leaving me with what? X plus 2. See, 3x squared plus 6x. All right, so from here, the 3x's cancel, leaving me with x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x plus 2. It still, as it approaches negative 2, I'm still going to get a denominator of 0. So let's go further. So let's see, we're gonna break this up. Let's see, what multiplies a negative 8 adds to 2. So I can have x plus 2 and x minus 4. So again, these cancel. So now all I have to do is find the limit when it's x minus 4. And we know that's for negative 2. So negative 2 minus 4 gives me a limit of negative 6. So when direct substitution doesn't work, mostly because the denominator is 0, factor and cancel and try again.